Hey everyone, Desiree here.
And Kadin, I'm back.
Kadin wanted to help me open another Erin Condren box. So since everyone really enjoyed him on the last unboxing,
I came back.
yes,
I have returned. I am inevitable.
Okay, so Kadin's gonna help me open this. Now this is, well, I know what it is, but I probably should open it so we all can be surprised together. So go ahead, Kadin, let's go ahead and get started. Yay! Wait, let's do the paper nice. Well, to the nicest as we can. Okay.
Oh, hey, it's Wonder Woman.
Yes, so Erin Condren has a new Wonder Woman collection. Well, I don't think it's that new, but I am so excited to get some of these products because Kadin knows.
Yeah, Wonder Woman is your favorite superhero.
Yeah, do you want to show them what you got me for Mother's Day?
Oh yeah, it's in your room.
Yeah, so he's going to go get the Mother's Day gift that he got for me. But anyways, I've got some stickers here, which I'm really excited to start using. I also ordered a petite journal. And
It has the Wonder Woman.
yes, this is the productivity layout, which is one of my favorites.
Oh, and this is what I got her for Mother's Day, a golden Wonder Woman Funko Pop.
Yes!
Target exclusive. And I told her to keep it in the box so that she could resell it for a lot of money one day.
Yes. Now, Kadin got me this because he knows how much I love Wonder Woman. So he got me this for Mother's Day, and it has been sitting on my special shelf in my bedroom ever since then. And I plan on keeping it there because Kadin thinks this is going to be worth a lot of money, right?
Yeah, because it's a Target exclusive, and exclusives always become rare, like the FNAF plushes. Like
Okay.
the FNAF plushes can become worth over hundreds of dollars.
Okay. Well, I don't know. Kadin knows more than me.
I do.
All right, so the next thing I got is the notepad. Now, I did get these customized with my name. And look at that. Yay!
Desiree.
And it's got my name on the bottom, Desiree. And then
it's got comic book style Wonder Woman pictures.
Yes, this is so nice. And I
It's
got the
the-
blank notepad because I don't always use it for writing. Sometimes we use it for scratch paper, notes, whatever. All right, and this is the last thing we got.
This big boy box.
Okay, so Kadin is going to, yeah, you slide it out.
Oh.
Yeah, pull this off.
Oh.
Very good.
It's upside down. I see
So-
more Wonder Woman.
Yay! So I went ahead and got
That.
a Wonder Woman. This is my planner, going to be my planner for next year. I got this starting in January 2021.
There's a little ruler on it.
Yeah, that's like the little page marker. But this is the cover that you can customize. I didn't want my name. I just wanted Wonder Woman because I felt like that really was much more appropriate, you know, for the style of how I like things to
It should have
look.
been a lot bigger.
Yeah, maybe they should have done it bigger.
Yeah, they should have done it bigger in like a special like comic book style font, not just the typical.
Yeah, maybe they could have done that
Aries
in foiling. That would have been pretty too.
Yeah, or in whatever what's the font used in comic books?
Comic Sans?
No, that's just a name. It's not the font that's actually
Oh.
used in comic books.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I just got the vertical layout. That's my favorite style layout in the neutral. And it doesn't look that neutral because you still have some hints of gray and pastel pinks and blues, but it's still very, very pretty. Like I said, I got this starting in January of 2021, so I don't need to order my planner for next year. I can just move right into this when I am ready. Right, Kadin?
Yeah.
So that is it as far as this latest Erin Condren.
This Wonder Woman haul.
Yes, Wonder Woman haul. This PR haul.
The
And
WW haul.
there you go. So I will definitely be sharing more about how I'm using these items. I will have a link down below in the description. in case you are interested in picking any of these up. Ooh, I really like these stickers. I didn't know that they were puffy. Oh, can you see that?
Yeah, they're big old puffy.
So that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Kadin, thank you so much for your help today.
You're welcome.
And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so.
To both our channels.
Yes, Kadin has a channel. He likes doing FNAF plushes.
Yes, I make FNAF content.
Okay.
Not just plush content, just FNAF content in general.
So can I put a link to your channel in the description?
Yes, it's called Cupcake Plush Productions.
Okay. All right, so I will link Kadin's channel down below as well. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye!